Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Windows and WSL2 because Swift runs inside Linux on Windows. This is the only reliable path. First, enable virtualization in BIOS and install WSL2, then add Ubuntu 20. 04 or 22. 04 as your distro. Once done, install Visual Studio Build tools and Git for Windows to satisfy native build dependencies. Make sure your WSL distro is set as default and updated so package installation will proceed without permission errors or missing libraries. Next, you install the Linux Swift toolchain inside WSL because Windows binaries are unsupported. That's the why. Download the matching Ubuntu tarball on Windows, then move or extract it into WSL. Prefer /usr/local/swift for consistency. Once extracted, export path to include /usr/local/swift/bin and run Swift version to validate. Then install dependencies like clang, libsoldev, zlib1gdev, libcurl4opensoldev, and pkgconfig vir apt so the compiler links correctly. Finally, you create and run code. Use Swift package init type executable and Swift build to compile inside WSL. Swift run executes your program. For debugging, use LLDB in WSL or open the folder with VS Code remote WSL to get a graphical debugger. If builds fail, check path and ensure the Swift toolchain matches your distro. Also verify library versions. As a key troubleshooting tip, run apt fix broken install and recheck symlinks in /usr/local/swift if libraries are unresolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.